Hello, assalamu alaikum. I'm Kazi Ahmed from Designer Dollar. So today I'm going to teach you, or I'm going to show you how can you convert your personal account into a professional business account on Pinterest, and how can you upload your videos or existing videos on Pinterest. So let's hop up into the computer. Basically, this is my business account, and you can see all of my posts. You will unable to upload your videos on Pinterest, and we all know Pinterest is a social network site. And this is my Pinterest account. You can definitely follow on my Pinterest social networks account, and this is mainly a business page, and you can see all of the contents of mine. Or you are going to start your account, if I go and change the account and convert the account into the personal account, and you can see this is my personal account, and we'll also able to see just like that. And after going your profile, you can see all of the contents of yours. Or if you are new at in this sector, so you will definitely see nothing, but you have to go to the settings, account settings also, and change the location. If you are a Bangladesh citizenship or Indian, you have to change the location from your country to United States. So that's it. I hope you have enjoyed this video a lot, and you have learned a very specific things, little things, but very useful for you. And if it's worth, then definitely check out my other videos on my YouTube account. You can search me on YouTube called Designer Dollar and subscribe, and never forget to press the bell icon.